Hi everyone, I'm Sohardi Amir from Quizzes Indonesia. Did you know that our student can use quizzes without any devices? The first feature we can use is called paper mode. First, prepare the quiz you want to play on quizzes, then click play button and select start now. Next, under activity mode, choose paper mode. Paper mode allows up to 60 players to participate at the same times, but before starting, make sure the teacher has printed out the cue card for all students who will be take part in the quiz. You can download and print them here. After that, the teacher also need to download the Quizzes mobile app to use as a scanner for the student cue card. Once the cue cards are printed, and the mobile app is downloaded, click start. Then open your quizzes and a pop-up will appear. Click start now and then scan the responses by using the app to scan the answer from your students. When you are done, you can click the end quiz button to finish the quiz. Just like another modes, a report of quiz result will be generated using the paper mode feature. The next mode is review mode. The mode is very useful for classes where students aren't allowed to bring devices or for elementary school or even kindergarten levels. To use it, prepare the question you want to turn into a quiz. Then click play and select Preview. On the Preview page, there are three models available: Preview as a student, Challenge Friends, and flashcard. Let's try the first mode, review as a student. In this mode, you can ask your student to answer early or directly say the answer they think is correct, and the teacher just need to click the answer chosen by the students. The next mode is challenge friends. In this mode, the teacher simply click challenge friends, then prepares two devices. This could be a phone or a laptop. Enter a challenge's name and send the link to the challenge device. Once both have successfully entered the quiz page, click the start button to begin answering. The last preview mode you can use is flashcard. In this mode, there are two options, whether you want to use it for practice or pre-read. Let's try the practice version. In this section, you will see the question first. To view the answer, just click the black screen or press the spacebar. If the student answer is correct, click I know. But if most student answer incorrectly, click I'm learning, so you can review the material together later. When you are finished, click the X button in the top left corner. Even there is absolute no internet connection where you teach, you can still use the worksheet feature on quizzes. It's quite simple. Just prepare the question you want to print as a worksheet for the student, then click worksheet. After that, you just adjust settings such as shuffling answer, shuffling question, showing answer case, adjusting font size, and more. Once you are done, click print or download and decide whether you want to print it directly using a printer or save it as a PDF file. So, who says that quizzes can't be used if students don't have devices? Go ahead and create your quizzes account right now.